Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video we saw that I bought this Apsara mini art kit. It has 3 sets of colors, 1 set of crayons, 1 set of pencil colors and a set of Apsara's oil pastels. In the last video we tested wax crayons and made this drawing. In this video we are going to test pencil colors and try to make something beautiful. The set consists of mostly earthy tones. It has 5 colors: blue, brown, golden, silver and orange. First I'm going to make a small sample drawing to get in the feels. The quality of these colors is really good. The lead is not brittle, it's not breaking even when I'm applying a fair amount of pressure. They are nicely pigmented. I like these. When I was in school, like forever ago, we were supposed to use pencil colors in art class, and during our exams we were given a sheet with a printed sketch and we were supposed to color that in a fixed time, maybe an hour or so. I always used to score so bad because I was so slow. I could never complete that page in an hour. I never liked art in school. I liked art at home, but not in school. Maybe because I don't like to be told what to draw. I just want to draw what I want to draw. And I don't like repeating a drawing. I mean, you want me to draw a mango in class? Okay. But you want me to draw a mango in next class also? Why? There are other kind of fruits on earth too. Go ask our GK teacher. She keeps making us memorize that shit. Anyways, our sample drawing is complete. It's a little big for a sample drawing, but I got a little carried away. Now let's get to the main drawing. In my previous drawing, the crayons one, I drew a bunch of Rajasthani ladies. So I'm going to make it the theme of this series and I'm going to draw some more Rajasthani ladies. I decided to skip the pencil and drew the whole figure with the brown pencil color and then filled it in with the other colors. This drawing is inspired from a painting I saw on Pinterest, which was far more beautiful than this one. I really struggled while drawing humans. This is the final drawing. Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.